Ever wondered what makes Loccitane's advent calendar so ridiculously addictive? Ever felt trapped in a beauty routine that just doesn't spark joy anymore? Like you're going through the motions with products that feel more like chores than treats? The holiday season should be about indulgence, not the same old boring skincare drill. If your bathroom shelf looks uninspired and your self-care feels more like self-maintenance, drop a comment. Does this sound painfully familiar? Between holiday shopping chaos, year-end work deadlines, and family obligations, the stress piles up fast. Your skin shows it. Your energy tanks. The idea of treating yourself becomes another item on an impossible to-do list. Imagine if there was a way to transform your daily routine into a moment of actual luxury, without adding complexity, cost anxiety, or decision fatigue. Enter the Loccitane Advent Calendar, a 24-piece luxury beauty countdown that turns December into a month-long love affair with French skincare. Picture this. Every morning, you open a beautifully illustrated cardboard door to reveal travel-sized treasures, the cult favorite Almond Shower Oil that transforms into silky foam, the legendary Shea Butter Hand Cream that sold millions worldwide, and the Immortelle Overnight Reset Oil-in-Serum that makes you look like you actually slept 8 hours. One busy professional described her experience like this. It was like having a tiny spa appointment waiting for me every single day. The calendar spans head-to-toe pampering, body care with rich textures and aromatic Provençal scents, hair care from the Aromachologie line, premium facial skincare, and delicate fragrances. Each mini is generously sized, not those disappointing sample packets. The packaging? 100% recyclable cardboard designed by French illustrators. So stunning, it becomes holiday decor. Stick around. There's a bonus trick at the end that makes this calendar work even harder for you. Here's where the Loccitane Advent Calendar becomes genuinely transformative. It solves multiple problems at once. Need travel toiletries for the entire year? Check. Want to discover luxury products without full-size commitment? Done. Craving a daily dopamine hit during the darkest, coldest month? Absolutely. A beauty editor put it perfectly. This calendar remains strictly focused on product. No filler, no gimmicks. Just a masterclass in curation, balancing heritage scents like verbena with complex, high-end formulations. A lifestyle influencer couldn't contain her excitement. The aromatic unboxing is unmatched. You're hit with almonds in shea butter the second you open it. The 75 ml shower gels last weeks, not days. Industry analysts confirm the retail value of all 24 items significantly exceeds the calendar's cost, making it one of the smartest beauty investments you can make. Real users report discovering new holy grails. One skincare enthusiast with sensitive skin said the Shea Butter line is a lifesaver for winter. The soap bars are creamy and never dry me out like drugstore brands. Thousands now make this an annual tradition. Which feature would save your day? Luxurious hand creams, rejuvenating serums, or decadent body oils? Comment below. This is a limited edition holiday release and it sells out fast every season. Thousands of beauty lovers have already secured theirs and transformed their December routines from stressful to sensational. Don't let hesitation cost you 24 days of luxury and a year's worth of travel essentials. Join the community who discovered their new favorite products inside this calendar. Click now to grab yours before they're gone. And here's the secret. Save the mini hand creams for your purse and gift bags all year long. Don't just watch. Transform your holiday experience today.